Welcome to Webstar Plus. How to use ChatGPT for blog writing. ChatGPT is best for content generation. If you have a website or blog, you can quickly generate a lot of content using ChatGPT. In this ChatGPT article writing guide, I will show you how can you write the best articles using ChatGPT easily. Generate blog post titles by providing a topic, generate blog post meta description, generate blog post outline, generate complete blog post from outline, and even more. Generally, if you ask ChatGPT to generate a complete blog post by providing a blog post title, it will generate a blog post, but that may not be the best. So in this video, let's see how to do it properly and in a fully controlled manner. ChatGPT works best when you provide as much as details as you can. It's called context. Keep context, question, and requirements clear and separate from each other. By doing so, you will get the best results. Before I go ahead, see this. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. In a generic prompt, these sentences can be used in the start. Actual question with requirements and instructions can follow this. It is to tell AI to avoid things that we don't need. It is optional, but it can prove to be good if you use it. Okay, let's generate blog post title. So we'll use this in the beginning. Here are our requirements: tone of voice, professional; writing style, academic; language, English; characters limit 60; topic, JavaScript. These are requirements and these are instructions. You are an expert copywriter who writes catchy titles for blog posts. According to the requirements provided, write 10 catchy blog post titles with a hook for the topic. This topic. The titles should include the words from the topic. Before I enter this prompt, let me clear, this tone of voice, professional, can be default, authoritative, caring, casual, cheerful, constructive, cheerful, conservative, conversational, creative, dry, enthusiastic, expository, formal, frank, friendly, funny, informative, journalistic, matter of fact, objective, passionate, poetic, professional, respectful, sarcastic, serious, smart, subjective, sympathetic, trendy, trustworthy, witty, or anything you can imagine. And writing style academic can be analytical, argumentative, conversational, creative, critical, descriptive, informative, instructive, journalistic, metaphorical, narrative, persuasive, poetic, technical, or anything you can imagine. But it depends on what is topic of your article and requirement. This blog post is about a programming language, that is JavaScript. Our topic is JavaScript. So I have used professional tone of voice and academic writing style. And see how I have separated requirements and instructions. It is to make things easy to understand for AI. Let's enter this prompt. Okay, we have catchy blog post titles. Exploring the depths of JavaScript, a new perspective, JavaScript Unleashed, powerful coding techniques, breaking down JavaScript beyond the basics, JavaScript and the future, where are we heading, the art of mastering JavaScript, a comprehensive guide, and so on. Now we have our titles for the blog post. We don't need to come up with the blog post titles. ChatGPT will suggest the best titles as it did here. Pick one and go from there. So let's pick this title. Now let's generate blog post description by using this title that we generated. It is for SEO purpose. Okay, so prompt will start from this. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. Requirements are these: tone of voice, again professional; writing style academic; language English; and characters limit should be 160 as it is description. Blog post title is this, And here are our instructions. You are an expert copywriter who writes catchy descriptions for blog posts. According to the requirements provided, these requirements, write two catchy blog post descriptions with a hook for the blog post title. This is the blog post title. The description should include the words from the blog post title. Enter. Navigate the world of coding with the art of mastering JavaScript, a comprehensive guide. The blog post unravels the secrets of JavaScript, providing in-depth insights and valuable techniques for any aspiring or seasoned programmer. This is first description and this is second one. We can use any one of these. This description is for SEO purpose. One of these can go into head section of the web page with the meta description tag. Now we have the title and description for blog post. Let's generate the outline for the blog post. So here is our usual starting point for the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self-reference. Do not explain what you are doing. Here are our requirements: tone of voice professional, writing style academic, language English, blog post title should be this that we selected earlier. And here are our instructions. You are an expert copywriter who creates content outlines. This is basically the persona. We are asking ChatGPT to take a role of expert copywriter in order to provide us what we need. Okay, according to the requirements provided, create a long form content outline for the blog post title. The content outline should include a minimum of 5 headings and subheadings. I've used 5. You can use more. If you need a really long article, you can use 10 or 20 as you like. The outline should be extensive and it should cover the entire topic. This topic. Create detailed subheadings that are engaging and catchy. Do not write the blog post, only write the outline for the blog post. Do not number the headings. Add a new line space between headings and subheadings. Enter. Okay, so this is heading and these are subheadings. Heading, subheadings, heading, subheading, heading, subheadings, and at the end conclusion. So this is outline for our blog post. The importance of JavaScript in the current tech landscape, exploring the role of JavaScript in modern web development, the impact of JavaScript on user experience and interactivity, the basics of JavaScript, building a strong foundation, understanding syntax and variables in JavaScript, mastering the use of functions and objects, and so on. Now let's generate complete blog post from this outline. ChatGPT has the context. This is all the context for this conversation that ChatGPT has got. It knows we generated blog post outline above. So ignore all previous instructions, but remember blog post outline above. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, or any other enclosing characters. Do not self-reference and do not explain what you are doing. Our requirements are these: tone of voice professional, writing style academic, language English, and our instructions will be these. You are an expert copywriter who writes detailed and thoughtful blog articles. Use above blog post outline for an article according to the requirements. Expand on each of the subheadings to create a complete article from it. Use short and long sentences. Utilize uncommon terminology to enhance the originality of the content. Use professional format for the content. Use appropriate font size for headings and subheadings. Okay, enter. Setting the stage for mastering JavaScript. Setting the stage for mastering JavaScript. The importance of JavaScript in current tech landscape. Exploring the role of JavaScript in modern web development. this one, and the impact of JavaScript on user experience and interactivity. Yes, this one, and it is still going. ChatGPT will generate a complete blog post using the outline. If it stops, type continue and hit enter. It will start from where it left off. And here is the conclusion: the art of continual learning in JavaScript, keeping up with the evolution of JavaScript trends and updates, resources and tips for furthering your JavaScript journey. The reason why we generated outline before the content is because it makes blog post creation easy. This is one way to generate the blog post. You can generate complete blog post from a given topic using single prompt. For example, let's start a new chat. Ignore all previous instructions. Do not use single quotes, double quotes, etc. Our requirements are these: tone of voice professional, writing style academic, language English. Topic: now we are providing topic ourselves. JavaScript as front end and back end programming language. And these are the instructions. You are an expert copywriter who writes detailed and thoughtful blog articles. According to the requirements, use topic. Use given topic to generate blog post description limited to 160 characters. Then use the given topic for an article. Then use the given topic and create an outline for the topic with a minimum of 5 headings and subheadings. Then expand on each of the individual subheadings in the outline to create a complete article from it. Use short and long sentences. Utilize uncommon terminology to enhance the originality of the content. Arrange the content in a professional format. Generate the outline and then immediately start writing the complete article. Okay, let's see. Okay, first description. This is the description, and here is our outline with the headings and subheadings, and here is the complete article. Now you can expand on the details of any one of these headings. You can ask ChatGPT to provide more content on any of the subheadings. Conclusion: the promising future of JavaScript. Conclusion: the promising future of JavaScript. So, in one go, using one prompt, we generated blog post description, we generated blog post outline, and then complete article. These are just straightforward instructions about, first of all, do this, then do that, and use this topic that we provided. Use a particular writing style and tone of voice. Easy stuff. This is how you can generate full blog post in one go. Okay, you have come along this far in this video. So here is the bonus just for you. There are certain copywriting frameworks used by marketers. You can use these frameworks to generate blog post introduction in a certain way. Those frameworks are these: AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action; PAS, problem, agitate, solution; BAB, before, after, bridge; FAB, features, advantages, benefits. These copywriting frameworks add magical touch to the writing and make it appealing to their targeted audience. I will use one of these frameworks to generate blog post introduction or blog post description. Let's use AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. So here is the prompt. Ignore all previous instructions and so on. Requirements are these: tone of voice professional, writing style academic, language English, topic JavaScript as best programming language, keywords web development, software engineering, programming. And here are the instructions. You are an expert copywriter who writes detailed and compelling blog articles. I want you to write a compelling blog introduction paragraph of around 200 words on given topic according to above requirements. Use the AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action copywriting framework to hook and grab the attention of the blog readers. Use short and long sentences, utilize uncommon terminology to enhance the originality of the content, arrange the content in a professional format, use provided keywords into the text wherever appropriate. Highlight these keywords in bold in the text using markdown if you have them in the text. Keywords: programming, software engineering, web development. Programming, web development, software engineering. So it used the keywords that we provided, and here's the description or paragraphs or the introduction paragraph for the given topic. If you don't need this much text, you can ask ChatGPT to make it concise. Make above response concise and in one paragraph. And there you go. Cool, right? And this is not just for the blog post description or paragraph. You can use copywriting frameworks to generate full blog posts as well, or any kind of content really. Okay, sometimes you don't need a full article. You just need a paragraph of text. You can also generate an effective paragraph of text using ChatGPT. For example, ignore all previous instructions and the usual stuff. Our requirements are these: tone of voice professional, writing style academic, language English, topic WordPress as a content management system. And keywords are these: CMS, content management system, themes, and plugins. And here are our instructions. You are an expert copywriter who writes detailed and thoughtful blog articles. According to the requirements, write around 200 words of a given topic, use short and long sentences, utilize uncommon terminology to enhance the originality of the content, arrange the content in a professional format, use provided keywords in a paragraph, highlight these keywords in bold in the text using markdown. Our topic was WordPress as a content management system, and here is the paragraph containing keywords that were provided: content management systems, themes, CMS, content management systems, plugins. So it used the keywords and provided us the text that we needed. Such paragraphs can be used for social media posts as well. So this is how you can generate blog posts in many different ways. Blog posts can be generated for your own blog, for your website, for guest blogging, or for guest posting, and more. Using ChatGPT, you can 10x or even 100x your copywriting skills in small amount of time. Okay, all you have to do is to think or come up with a word or a topic. Ask ChatGPT to generate blog post titles around that topic. Select a blog post title from the titles that ChatGPT generates for you. Using that blog post title, ask ChatGPT to generate full outline containing headings and subheadings for full blog post. Then ask ChatGPT to use that outline and the blog post title to create full blog post and expand on all those subheadings that ChatGPT created. And you will get your blog post or blog article in few seconds. You can also do it in one go. You can ask ChatGPT to use a certain title or post title and generate blog post outline and then create blog article by using that title and blog post outline. Easy. Okay, if you want these prompts, do let me know in comments. I will publish these anywhere and then share the link in video description. If you want to add to this conversation or if you want to share your experience with any related prompt, do let me know in comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.